Kale. Kale is extremely healthy. It is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet and particularly high in vitamin K1. Vitamin K1 is essential for blood clotting and may play a role in bone health. 1 cup of fresh kale contains vitamin K1, 68% of the recommended daily intake. Vitamin C, 22% of the recommended daily intake. Furthermore, kale is high in fiber, manganese, vitamin B6, potassium, and iron. 2. Seaweed. Iodine deficiency is one of the most common nutrient deficiencies in the world, affecting nearly 1/3 of the global population. Iodine deficiency causes thyroid problems in adults. During pregnancy, it may also increase the risk of intellectual and developmental abnormalities in your baby. Seaweed, such as kelp, nori, kombu, and wakame, are all very rich in iodine. 3. Brazil nuts. If you're lacking in selenium, Brazil nuts may be the perfect snack. Selenium is essential for thyroid and immune system function, as well as antioxidant activity. The RDI is 50 to 70 micrograms, which may be achieved by consuming just 1 large Brazil nut. Each nut may provide up to 95 micrograms of selenium. The upper tolerance level for selenium is set around 300 to 400 micrograms per day for adults, so make sure not to eat too many of them. 4. Yellow bell peppers. Yellow bell peppers are one of the best dietary sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential vitamin. It's also water-soluble, meaning your body doesn't store extra amounts. Therefore, regularly consuming vitamin C is very important. While vitamin C deficiency, also known as scurvy, is uncommon in the West, symptoms include fatigue, skin rashes, muscle pain, and bleeding disorders. High vitamin C intake is linked to enhanced immune function, a reduced risk of DNA damage, and a decreased risk of several chronic diseases. 1 large yellow bell pepper provides almost 600% of the RDI for vitamin C, which is 75 to 90 milligrams. 5. Cod liver oil. Vitamin D deficiency is one of the most common nutrient deficiencies in the world. This is because the food sources of vitamin D are sparse. They include fatty fish, fish liver oils, and, to a lesser extent, egg yolks and mushrooms. Vitamin D is essential for bone health. It is also a crucial part of many bodily processes, including immune system function and cancer prevention. Cod liver oil is a great addition to any diet, especially for people who live far from the equator, where no vitamin D can be synthesized in the skin during the winter months. Only 1 tablespoon of cod liver oil provides 2 to 3 grams of omega-3 fatty acids and 1400 IU of vitamin D. This is more than 200% of the RDI for vitamin D.